Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's prepare an authentic Kerala-style Garfish pepper fry, a simple yet incredibly flavorful seafood dish, bursting with freshly ground black pepper, aromatic spices, and the richness of coconut oil. Every bite is juicy, spicy, and packed with traditional Kerala taste. Let's get started and bring this delicious fish fry to your kitchen. This fish is commonly known as garfish, sometimes called needlefish because of its long, slender body and pointed beak. In Malayalam, we lovingly call it Kolan Meen. Its tender flesh and unique taste make it perfect for a spicy Kerala-style fry. Take half kilogram of cleaned garfish. Make a few deep slits on both sides of each fish so the spicy masala can seep deep into the flesh, making every bite incredibly flavorful. Into a bowl, add half teaspoon of red chili powder for a beautiful color and a gentle kick of heat. Add salt to taste. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder for its earthy flavor and vibrant golden color. 2 teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper powder. This is the star ingredient that gives this fry its bold, smoky, and spicy Kerala flavor. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to bring in rich aroma and depth. Squeeze in 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice to balance the spices and add a refreshing tang. Mix all the spices thoroughly until they form a smooth, thick, and flavorful masala paste. Now add the garfish to the masala and coat each piece thoroughly. If needed, sprinkle a little water to help the masala spread evenly. Let the fish marinate for 15 to 20 minutes so it absorbs every bit of the delicious flavors. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The coconut oil gives this fish fry its authentic Kerala aroma. Once the oil is hot, gently place the marinated fish into the pan and let it sizzle as the spices release their aroma. Cook over medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes until the bottom turns beautifully golden and slightly crispy. Once done, carefully flip each fish using a spatula, ensuring the crispy, spice-coated crust stays intact. This helps the fish cook evenly on both sides. Cook for another 2 minutes. Finally, add 2 stems of fresh curry leaves. As they hit the hot oil, they'll release an irresistible aroma that takes this fish fry to the next level. And there you have it, Kerala-style garfish pepper fry, perfectly cooked with a rich peppery kick, fragrant curry leaves, and authentic Kerala flavors. Each bite is tender, spicy, and absolutely delicious. Serve it hot with steamed rice, kanji, or your favorite meal for a comforting seafood feast that everyone will love. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.